Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by picking the right tool and preparing your PC. Open settings to confirm Windows 10 or 11 and update GPU drivers so animations run smoothly. Once done, decide Wallpaper Engine for Steam, Lively for free open source, or Rainmeter for custom widgets. Make sure you have at least 500 MB free and a stable internet connection to download files. You'll save time later by allowing the installer through Windows Defender and running the installer as administrator. This avoids permission problems. Now install and configure the app so the wallpaper behaves as you want. Run the installer as administrator and include codecs or Visual C++ if prompted, because missing dependencies break playback. After installation, open settings and choose a performance profile, battery to conserve power, balanced for everyday use, or high performance for smooth 60 FPS visuals. Next, import or browse for files, MP4 or WebM for videos, GIF for simple loops, or a packaged scene. Make sure to test playback and adjust volume. Finish by applying the wallpaper and locking down settings so it persists. Assign the wallpaper to the correct monitor, set scaling and position, and enable GPU acceleration for smooth playback. This reduces CPU load. Make the app launch at login so your wallpaper returns after reboot. If something goes wrong, first update GPU drivers and restart the app. Next, disable overlays or conflicting software like some game launchers. If stutter persists, lower frame rate or resolution. This resolves most performance problems quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.